It's your boy right here, lifestyle. And you know what's going on, everybody. I'm just respecting, trying some rice everywhere, you know. And I got my buddy TJ here. So hi to the fans, TJ.
Hi guys.
What kind of rice you got today? Is it like the cooking rice or other rices?
Other rices.
Oh, okay, so you're trying it. Okay. Okay, let's look at the bag over there. Let's see if I can zoom into that to look at things right here. This thing right here, this says there's a rice, some rice in here. Oh, yes. There's the rice, people. This is what we use in Jamaica to understand the rice and store stuff to, you know, get the birds them really into it, you know, people right into it, you know. Yeah, peeps, yeah, peeps, yeah, people, yeah. Every day, right now, over here, so we can spread liquor, so we know what's up already. We'll spread some on that breadfruit tree under here, so maybe look here, you know, and some of it here, in that little circle right here, so people, we always have to spread some, man. We can't just stop and just go through with no rice, people. Yeah, peeps. Spread. Yeah, people. That's it for the day now, people. Make sure some subscribe. I have one more thing to show you, peeps. And that is the tree of Breadfruit Jamaica. And, my friend, what have you say? What you want to say for the people? First of all, I have to look at the view, by the way. This is my house. And this is my friend. So people, what do you have to say? My friend, what do you have to say to the people?
Like, subscribe, and lifestyle.
The lifestyle that my friend said. So, we going shout out right now. We're going up in the tree to show you guys where we're going to shoot. Yeah, people, let's get into it already. So let's start get climbing. See the people, my boy, this I throw the rice, we bird them. Yeah, people. So you know, shout out to, what your name, Virgin?
TJ.
You know, respect the TJ. Alright, TJ, hold on there now. Let me throw some rice and you vlog me, my Virgin. Yeah, people. So you do, people. Yeah, my name like a skunk. Lifestyle, lifestyle, you know, people. We just spread some rice and both them. We just like chewy, you know, people. People have to do it. So we yeah, people. Just look funny good enough, people. Have one little world contest, you know, people. Sit the people. Say nice for your people. Yeah, peeps. I see back my Virginia. Yeah, respect him, you know, everything already. Link up TJ Skunk. I saw my Virgin, the name is body a shout out. I'm show something now, people. People, when you this one bird, they get a full size of hand. What's up? Let's put over something. Yeah, me people. Yeah, people. Yeah, these, you know. And get me as the people. Yeah, peeps. So there, under the breadfruit tree. And next vlog we are up in that breadfruit tree, right? So after I throw some whole heap or so we can get a nice shot from the right. If I zoom into it. Right up to the people. Go on, spread me G, TJ. Remember TT. Yeah, peeps. I saw you always a deal. Yeah, peeps. Peace, yeah, I saw. Always. But I know you have the tweet, and I saw. Put on background. Look, I like this. You have to make the bird them go otherwise, brother. Let's make the bird them go over this and flash some. We spread the whole field maybe. Yeah, just like that. You gotta get me? Yeah people. So my virgin, yo, what you say down to you? What you say to the fans? So say something to the fans now?
Nothing so, man.
What you say?
We just spread them out. See some seed of pecan, ground up. And we try to shut them.
Yeah people. So what you want to other else to the people? Show your face man, we have hide for man. Show your face man. What you want to say?
We're going at the tree.
Yeah people, come in. We're gonna try a show. Alright people, see view what we have. So we have the whole got the red thing there. Rice some over here so. Some over here so. We still rice for more people. Cause you know already go. Look, one full of ice. Let's go boy. Sky lifestyle. We happy always alright people. So we happy always. No. My brother alright so. We now rise up there so. My father yes so. We now make it rise down and now we get to rise sit there. People see my friend there. Follow me all the way around peeps. You know make sure to subscribe to notification. Subscribe notification. Lifestyle. Always lifestyle. Yo. Alright peeps, we're back here again. And you know we don't see no bird yet. Flying over the field. But this is not technically a field. But first of all I can show you some rice. The rice right here so. Let me take up one and show you guys that what we're using. This thing right here, this little yellow thing, that's what we're using today people. Yeah peeps, and you know we are the OT. So I'm gonna go up in the tree now. I'm gonna shout out to my boy TJ. He's right there. I'm gonna shut up peeps. It's a boy like you here. I know what's going on, everybody. And you know it's a lifestyle like Nation Skunk. And you know what's up. My bro TJ here with the spur gonna show that we be. Look at that spur. Just put that down right there for me, T. Perfecto. Just look at it. That looks nice as hell. This is the field, and this is the field. We don't see no bird yet. We don't see no bird, but we gonna get bird to eat. It's in the evening time in the ball play. P-Dog, sometimes P-Dog, you see them, and you know. Maybe we can hide right behind that thingy right there. Let me zoom on right there, zoom in. And there's some, look at that people. Ball plate already. Ball plate already people. You see that people? Ball plate already people, you know. We're always here. Like, we're going to head up in this breadfruit tree. I will see you soon. Okay people? And we're gonna head up. Let's go. Yeah, peeps. We're up in the tree now. My boy is over here. And you can see maybe not the rice, but you see where is that brown bag? Yeah, peeps. We have the rice, you know. There's a lot of rice right now. Don't want that much still on the ground. But we're doing it, you know, peeps. So all you guys, for those views, we always doing stuff for you. You got me? Cause Father's Day, wish you Father's Day to bless and respect all the mothers. Respect to long ago was not Mother's Day. So I respect the two mothers and fathers. Children, respect your mother and father. You know. My friend is up here with the spur. Look at the spur people. That's how we're making a spur. Oh yeah. We got that from a long time ago people. Yeah people. That's how we do it up there. So what do you want to say to the peeps, TJ?
brother in a tree now. Finish in the ditch. We'll finish with the tree. We are gonna go up this and spread some rice.
Yeah.
And wait for some feeder.
Yeah, people. That's how we do it. Alright, people. Let's go back down now. Alright. Peeps. One brother. Oh, crap, peeps. I almost got him. He was right down there. Right there, so peeps. This is what the spur we're using today now. Yeah. So people, make sure to subscribe to the notification. And you know you are the boy Lifestyle Berry Bush King. And my bell TJ here. Subscribe to notification bell. He has maybe almost his channel. He's setting up too, right T?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and we in Jamaica. And if I can find, if you see that little thing right there, I don't know if you can see it, it's right there, people, right at my hand. That is a breadfruit of Jamaica. That is that, and that's the spur right now. We doing it with it. We doing that. And my bell, we do not see anymore, but we're gonna get it. So people, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you if I see you. A bird. Peace out. Lifestyle Berry Bush King. Boy.